Hi, and welcome to I Wonder Wednesday, Space Edition. Today's topic is dwarf planets. In 1930, when Pluto was first discovered, it became an exciting new addition as the 9th planet in our solar system, hanging out all the way past Neptune. Maybe you remember in 2006 when the International Astronomical Union announced that Pluto was no longer classified as a planet. But if you're worrying that Pluto would be lonely without its planet family, never fear. Pluto was reclassified and joined a new family just as exciting and unique as its old one. Meet the dwarf planets. First of all, what is a dwarf planet? Like our regular planets, a dwarf planet is a relatively large, round object orbiting around the Sun. The main difference is that while planets like our Earth can always be sure that they won't collide with other large objects orbiting the Sun, smaller dwarf planets may have a bit of a bumpier time since their gravity is not enough to make a clear orbital path away for them. Let's meet the dwarf planets. This is Ceres, the smallest dwarf planet and the closest to the Sun. Ceres lives inside the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Your friend Pluto is the next closest dwarf planet, and after Pluto comes Haumea, perhaps the most noticeably different of the dwarf planets. Scientists believe that the oblong shape of this planet comes from the fact that it is one of the fastest rotating objects in our solar system. Makemake was discovered in 2005 and is the second brightest object in the Kuiper Belt. The Kuiper Belt is the area of our solar system beyond Neptune where millions of icy objects, including 4 of our dwarf planets, orbit very slowly around the Sun. And finally, Eris. This was actually the first dwarf planet discovered after Pluto. Eris is so far from the Sun that during the coldest parts of its orbit, its atmosphere freezes and collapses, falling like snow only to thaw again later. And those are the dwarf planets. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again soon on another I Wonder Wednesday.